Okay, so this is my video for neuromuscular electrical stimulation after a total knee, 3 weeks. So first I'm just going to show where I would put the electrodes. So one would go on the lateral part of the thigh between the vastus lateralis and the rectus femoris, and then one would go on the medial distal part of the thigh more toward the VMO. So then the article was really good at describing which settings you would want on the device. So it's neuromuscular electrical stimulation. It's a large muscle because it's a quadricep. It would be custom. Time we're going to do 10 minutes. Off time is 45 seconds. The rate is going to be 50 hertz. The width, they describe 250 microseconds, but we only have 252 or 248, so we're going to go 248 on here. The waveform is going to be symmetrical. We're only using the one channel. There is no lag described. They have the ramp up as 3 seconds, and then the on time as 15 seconds. Okay, and then we would just get this baby rolling, and then they did that for 15 repetitions, so 15 muscle activations 2 times a day for 6 weeks.